Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon we will discuss about the simple wiring connection using incandescent bulb or lamp. This is the supply line 1, line 2, line for Cebu. Line 1 and line to ground is from other areas of Mindanao. Line to neutral using line to neutral in Metro Manila area. This is the safety switch. This is line 1 connected to switch. Another terminal of the switch going to the lamp. Another terminal to lamp going to line 2. Then another wiring diagram, simple wiring connection using fluorescent lamp. This is the line 1. This is a safety switch. This is the connection going to the switch. Single pole. The other terminal from the switch going to ballast. Then another terminal from ballast going to fluorescent terminal. Then the other terminal from fluorescent going to starter. Then another terminal from starter going to the other terminal from fluorescent lamp. Then the other terminal is going to line 2 sa atong safety switch. Bible verse of the day, Mark 16:15 to 16. And he said unto them, Go ye into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. He that believeth and is baptized shall be saved. He that believeth not shall be damned. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.